Orange is launching Flexible Datasync. Flexible Datasync is a new API which will change the lives of developers whose apps require real-time data transfers. How? Flexible Datasync makes it possible to share data directly between the client app and the data servers. It's the cloud revolution coupled with a digital toolbox from Orange to give you more flexibility and speed up the rollout of your applications. Today, you want your application to collect, send, and share data in real time, interactively between any terminals or connected objects, whatever their location. Whether you're a service for online sales, connected objects, or social networks, or a communications app, up until now, you had to make an application server to communicate between your client application and the database. That's three-level architecture. That involved developing specific platforms and setting up dedicated databases for each service. You had to design a backend which provided high availability and scalability, qualify it, deploy it, and operate it. You had to make it secure and implement dedicated operating and maintenance systems. That meant devoting significant resources to service development, hosting, and operating. Today, Flexible Datasync provides two-level architecture directly between the client and the database. That means that the application server and the database are combined into one entity, supplied by Flexible Datasync. It's a subscription service. You no longer need to develop application servers or make your data secure. It's the self-service model. Are your customer numbers going up? No problem. Flexible Datasync's capacity adapts to your needs. It's flexible, direct, faster, and less expensive. Flexible Datasync offers data security quite simply chosen by the developer. Let's take the example of a taxi company which wants to develop an interactive app for its customers which responds within the appropriate time frame. Jerome needs a taxi and connects to the Taxico application. His screen shows a map with the location of the nearest taxis. Since he has voluminous luggage, he takes a photo of it and sends it to the 3 closest taxis to be sure that the one which responds will have enough room for it. If the taxi driver isn't sure, he can always call him. When developing this app, the developer only focused on designing and developing an ingenious system to make passengers and taxi drivers' lives easier. All the rest, multi-device synchronization, server management, etc., was handled directly by Flexible Datasync. It's simple, secure, and it's hosted by Orange. You can develop your new data sharing app in real time because Flexible Datasync handles the rest. Transferring the data in real time, storing it, authentication and security, hosting, and operating the system. Try Flexible Datasync for free.